After you complete the registration procedure, you will be directed to your personal account at Prime XBT. There are three main sections in our platform. Account. This is your account dashboard and includes such information as your wallet balance, trading account balance, and allows users to quickly deposit or withdraw funds. Trade. This is where you can execute your trades. You can monitor market data, select the instrument you wish to trade, place and cancel orders, and view information about your current positions. Information. Here you will find useful information about all the platform's features, order types, leverage trading conditions, fees, and more. This is a great starting point which will allow you to master the Prime XBT platform in no time. In the Account section, you can see the balance of your personal Bitcoin wallet on the left, as well as the deposit button. On the right side, you will find detailed information about your trading account. Equity. Your total capital, including unrealized profit or loss for all open trades. Available funds. These are your current available funds for trading. Available margin percentage. Indicates available margin in percent. After you make a deposit, funds will be credited to your personal wallet balance. To start trading, you will need to transfer them from your wallet to the trading account by pressing the Fund Trading Account button. The pop-up will appear where you will need to specify the amount and click Transfer. To withdraw funds from the trading account back to the wallet, you need to click Withdraw to Wallet button. Transfers between the wallet and your trading account are instant and free. The Trading History below displays the history of all your trades, indicating the traded asset, side of the trade, buy or sell, type of order, amount, execution price, profit or loss, commission, and date time of the trade. The menu on the left will help you navigate through such sections as Deposit, Withdrawal, Referral Program, and Security Settings. To deposit funds to your account, navigate to the Deposit section by clicking on Deposit button in the left menu. Copy your personal Prime XBT Bitcoin address, or you can scan the QR code provided to make a transfer from an existing exchange or wallet. The minimum deposit is equal to 0.001 BTC. Prime XBT does not charge any fees on deposits. On the same page, you will also find the Changely Service widget, which allows you to exchange other cryptocurrencies and fiat money directly into your Bitcoin address at Prime XBT. Below, you will find the history of all your deposits. In order to withdraw funds from the Prime XBT platform, please navigate to the Withdraw section. The mandatory address whitelisting feature adds an additional layer of protection by allowing customers to whitelist specific withdrawal addresses. By doing so, all withdrawals will be restricted to the addresses only included in the whitelist. In the unlikely event that your Prime XBT account is compromised, an unauthorized user will not be able to withdraw digital assets to a different address. To add your Bitcoin address to the whitelist, click Add New Address. In the window that appears, specify the name in the Label field and specify the Bitcoin address in the Address field. Click Add. You will need to confirm the address whitelisting through the email specified during registration. After you have successfully added your address to the whitelist, enter the amount you plan to withdraw from the platform in the Amount (BTC) field and click Submit to withdraw. All withdrawals are executed manually from cold storage by the Treasury Department every day from 12 o'clock to 13 o'clock GMT. You can see the status of the current withdrawal request as well as the history of all withdrawals in the table below. Prime XBT allows all users to receive a profit share, a percentage of all trading fees paid by the people you have referred to the platform, paid in Bitcoin into your personal Prime XBT wallet. Importantly, Prime XBT referral system has a 4-level payout scheme, which means you receive rewards not only for direct referrals you bring, but for their referrals as well. In the Affiliates Earnings section, you will find your personal referral link on the left. On the right, you can see the number of all your active referrals as well as total payouts you have already earned. You can also find downloadable marketing materials to make it easier to attract referrals. Learn more in this section about how to make additional income by simply spreading the word about Prime XBT and sharing your personal referral link with friends and the community. System Preferences. In the System Preferences section, you can change the password, enable two-factor authentication, activate notifications related to your account and trading, and also check the history of recent logins to your account. To access the trading terminal, click the Trade button in the menu above. In the following reviews, we will explain how to place your first trade, how to calculate leverage, and manage your positions.